Hi everyone, my name is Atisha and I'm the President and CEO of Absolute Home Health Training Center and Absolute Home Health Services. When you come in to register for any one of our courses, you've taken the first step toward the most rewarding decision you will ever make. We look forward to the opportunity to help you reach the goals you have set forth for yourself. At Absolute Home Health Training Center, we're determined to provide quality training for thousands of students who will go on to become successful healthcare professionals. We're currently offering the CNA Prep course, in which students learn theory and clinical hands-on skills. We take the stress out of passing the LPN NCLEX with our concise and comprehensive curriculum. With our one-stop shop philosophy, train here, test here, work here, you will have all the resources you could possibly need right under one roof. A training center, a testing center, and a home health agency. Our faculty and staff are dedicated to making your experience at Absolute Home Health Training Center enjoyable and rewarding. The instructors are experts in their field and will provide the education and experiences necessary for your transition from the classroom to a great healthcare career. Because we're the best in the business, our students are well prepared for their chosen careers with both technical and workplace skills. And that's why we are a step above the rest in home health training.